I heard some hissing and some muttering, a lot of rattling. Anybody left in the racing area? It's time group 11. You want to come on down? Come on down to the start. And right to the parking lot. My name's Chandler. Buy me a beer when this is all said and done. Buy me 2 beers. Buy me 3 beers, I'll tell you a story.
About how you wound up in those shorts.
That's how I got into this thing. I woke up from a blackout summer night and I had a Roadrunner t-shirt on. Kidney missing. These stupid shorts.